hike uli. Paakyat pa uli. Ayan. Ando na yung... Ano, ayan, sila ate. Oh, at saka si kuya. Oh, look.
Bitawin tayo today.
Okay. Pero ayan siya, no? 600. Tapos, pwede ang Gcash.
The bag.
Ayan. Tapos ito na, apat tayo. Sign. Yeah. No, it's okay. Blank. Pwedeng mag-iwan ng gamit dito. Okay. First strapping. Suot na siya ng strap.
Go!
Look at that.
2, 3.
Babe! Where are you, babe? Wow! Oh, I'm sorry. Wow, look at that! Wow! Oh my God, this is so amazing. Ang taas po. Look. Look at Paul. Ayun, nasa ibabaw na tayo ng tubig. Nauna siya sa akin. Iniwan ako ni Paul. Hello, minto ako. Ay, hindi. Sakto lang tayo. Ayun, di pala. Hi, babe. Bye. Oh my God. Let's stay there. Okay. Ala, si Paul. Naiwan siya. Are you coming back? Salamat, kuya. Kaya hinila na lang siya. Okay. Salamat, kuya. How was it? So, how was it?
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Beautiful.
One more?
No.
No. No.
No, one is enough. One is perfect.
Oh, ito naman yung next challenge. Ang pagbaba. Pass off dish out, babe. Pass off dish out.